Hi family, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review. I'm going to be showing you how I made and installed this hair from Panse Hair. Also, I am excited to announce that this video is actually going to be a giveaway video. I have partnered up with Panse Hair to give away 3 different hair to 3 different lucky winners. The rules of the giveaway will be in the description, so don't forget to check it out. With that being said, let's get into the video. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using the 3 bundles and 1 closure. So let me actually show you guys what the hair looks like. So here it goes. From what I can tell, this is not bad at all. The only thing I'm afraid of is that I've never done anything this light before. So I may end up coloring this hair. I'm not sure yet, but it looks really nice right now, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this into a wig. This is what the closure looks like. As you can see there, the lace is already tinted and it's also plugged as well. So that makes my life very easy. So first off, I'm gonna use this dummy head or a mannequin head or foam head, however way you like to call it. Up next, I'm gonna use these caps. These are weaving caps, a pair of scissors, some thread, and some needles. And the hair that I'm going to be using for this look is from Panse Hair. I'm going to leave their info down below in case you want to check them out, and I'll also leave a discount code for you guys as well in case you wanted to purchase something. I'm going to be walking you guys through how I create all my wigs. I use the same process every time, but a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a hair tutorial, so this is going to be the first one. I actually plan on doing a lot of hair reviews for you guys, so for you guys who always ask me about my hair, ask no more because I have a lot of hair reviews coming your way. Okay family, so here we go. I have the wig right here. This is what the inside looks like. This is where the frontal is. I've already cut the lace, and this is what the actual wig looks like. So I already have my cap on, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. You always wanna grab it from the back like that. So this is the closure. This is the part that sits on your head like this. But what you wanna do is grab it from here, from the back like that, and then bend your head like so. Place it on your head and roll it to the back. It's not gonna fit at first, but that's fine. Then you wanna flip this part over like this and then pull this part in front. Be very careful and very gentle because you don't wanna rip your lace or your net. So continue to pull it until it fits. And then once you get up here, you can grab this side, and then pull it from ear to ear. That way it fits. And then you can always adjust it if you need to adjust it. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I'm not gonna curl this just yet. I do like curls, but let's see how this turns out. First, I'm gonna put a part in the hair because I wanna wear it on the side. So let me brush it out real quick first. So now I'm just gonna define the part and flat iron it a little bit and show you guys the finished product. Okay. I know I used black thread for this. The smarter idea would probably be to use a thread that actually matches the hair. But that's the only thing I had handy. And it's gonna be mine anyways. Nobody's gonna see the thread. So I'm okay with that. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. This is not as scary as I thought it was gonna be, like at all. So I haven't made any baby hair and I haven't defined the part. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pick little pieces of hair. I don't want the part to be too deep. So I'm just gonna be very careful how much hair I pluck out, just in case I decide to wear this as a middle part someday. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair here, add some foundation here, and I should be good, y'all. So let's see here. I've never had blonde baby hair before. Same process. I'm gonna get a little bit of hair right here. You don't want to do a blunt cut. You want to like tease it like that. Take your toothbrush, dip it back in. So now I'm gonna take a brush, some concealer, like that. Get a little bit and further define my part. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse. And here you go, guys. All done. I'm gonna put a few curls in it and see what it turns out to look like. It actually curls pretty good. Oh wow, I think I actually like it with the curls better. Let's put a few more, see what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like all curled. I think I actually like it better with the curls in it. What do you guys think? It's actually not bad, y'all. I actually really like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I might actually wear this out, like in public. Show you what the back looks like. I'm sure I don't have a lot of curls in the back, but this is what it looks like. Okay, a little side view. So guys, that is it, y'all. This is how you create a blonde wig from start till end. I'm loving this hair. If you guys like it too and you want to check them out, as I said, their name is Panse Hair. I'm gonna leave their info down below if you guys want to check them out. I'll also leave a coupon code. That way you get a nice little discount. Tell them Mercy sent you. Okay guys, that is it for this video, y'all. If you guys liked it, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video from me again. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.